Many traders have actually dreamed about having this kind of result in boom and crash, but the truth is that they don't know how it happens. In this video, I'm going to be showing a step-by-step guide on how you can catch this kind of setup. This kind of setup is not luck. It is a planned trade that happens before the move. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact step-by-step guide that you can follow on how you can catch this kind of move. Now, trading boom and crash has never been this easy without the power of CRT. CRT is one of the best strategies you can ever use to catch spikes in boom and crash. You can use it to flip accounts. It builds momentum. It builds that profitability that you want. So the first thing you need to do when planning your trade with boom and crash is what with CRT is that you need to consider higher time frame. You build your narrative from your higher time frame structure, from your weekly time frame down to your daily time frame, down to your 4 hours time frame, and down to your what to your 15-minute time frame. You can never have this kind of results if you don't build your narrative from higher time frame. If you cannot see it from inside, you cannot see it in foresight, then you can never see it in insight. So that is just the simple truth about boom and crash trading. So to be successful, to catch this kind of move in boom and crash, you must build your narrative from your higher time frame. And I've always emphasized that no matter the narrative you build, no matter the narrative you build, times time over price, time over price. I can't overemphasize the power of time. If you build a good narrative and you are coming in at the wrong time, my brother, my sister, it is nonsense. You can never see that result that you have. So it is a step-by-step guide. So the first thing you need to do as a trader is that you go down to your weekly time frame. There's what we call power of three. Power of three, the moment you understand it, the moment you understand power of three, everything becomes soft for you. Now, power of three can work in any time frame. Now, another thing that will shock you in this video is that we have the yearly power of three. We have the yearly power of three. My brother, my sister, if you understand your yearly power of three, as a matter of fact, you are completely done in trading. Now, let me give you a pro tip about it now. Now, from January to December, we have 12 months. Divide the 12 months into divide the month into three. Divide the month into three. That means we have four quarters. And that is why your bank will always tell you first quarter of the year, second quarter of the year, third quarter of the year, and fourth quarter of the year. There is something in this thing that banks are telling you. There is the message they are passing for you. Remember, the greatest liquidity that we'll have is our bank in this forex trading. The greatest liquidity that we'll have is what? Is this banking industry. Now, once you build it into 4 quarters, we have 4 quarters in a year. And the same thing now, the same 4 quarters in the years that we have, now transform the same thing back to your what? To your monthly time frame. Now, coming down to your monthly time frame, my brother, you have 4 weeks in a month. 4 weeks in a month. These things are not logic. They are not just placed there. There is a narrative they are telling you. There is a narrative they are telling you. Now, we now say, okay, from months, we come down to week. In the week now, we have 5 days of trading. 5 days of trading. It's still the same thing we are telling you. So from the 5 days now, put it at the back of your mind that out of the 5 days in a week, 1 day is going to be manipulation. Another day is going to be accumulation. Another day is going to be distribution. The moment you can build your psychology on these things, transpose it from higher time frame down to lower time frame, it becomes easy for you. Now let's come down to 1 hour power of three, where I'm going in this video. Now 1 hour power of three, break it down into 4 strands again. That means you have 15-minute candle. You have 4 candles in 1 hour time frame. One of the 4 candles, one is going to be accumulation, one is going to be manipulation, one is going to be distribution, and the other one is going to be a silent move. Build these things very well. Understand these narratives. Understand this narrative. So the moment you have it on 1 hour time frame, you are done. You are what? You are fucking done. Now, from 1 hour time frame, you can tell that okay, I want to go on 30-minute time frame. Go and look for time frame. That's why you have multiple time frames in our MT5, in our trading platform. You have 3 minutes, you have 2 minutes, you have 1 minute, you have 2 seconds. As a matter of fact, you have 10 seconds, you have 15 seconds. These time frames are not just there for you. There is a narrative they are telling. There is something they are telling you. You just need to calm down, relax, study this thing, have start times, and you get to understand them. You get to understand them, and then you see the true picture of what you want to do. So back to the strategy I've driven, but mind you, those area, go and watch it very, very well. Watch it times with that number, digest it. Now let's come down to our what? To our 4 hours power of 3. In the last video, I talked about daily power of 3, and this video I'm going to be talking about what? 4 hours power of 3. So if you want to trade the 4 hours power of 3, the first time frame you need to work with is that you work with your weekly time frame. Work with your weekly time frame. So once you synchronize your weekly, and what you are doing on your weekly time, which is your micro time frame, is that you are looking for key levels. Your key level can be your old high, your old low. It can be your what? Your fair value gap. It can be your order block. It can be your imbalance gap. So once you have a key level on the 4 hours time frame, on the weekly time frame, then on 4 hours time frame, you want to be seeing your CRT to form at that key level. Now your CRT will not form at that key level on 4 hours time frame except a particular time, and that is why we have a what? We have a 159. We have 159, 1 a.m. candle, 5 a.m. candle, and 9 a.m. candle. So once you have this on your 4 hours time frame, now you come down to the market at those stipulated time. You want to be seeing your CRT to form at that time. It is not logic. It is not logic. Look at the time I'm playing. This is 8:41. Convert 8:41 to CEST time, my brother. That is your 1 a.m. CRT candle, and that is your London setup. And that is why I will keep telling you that time over price, time over price, time over price. My brother, times over price, you get what? You get to understand these things. Just put your mind, relax your mind, back test very well. So once you call me at the right time, it's going to be like a magic. That how is it happen? But mind you, it is not just a magic within that short period of time, that 45 minutes. It is something that I've built over time. It is something that I've built the logic over time. I've built the logic from 1 hour time frame, from my weekly time frame. Even sometimes I went down to monthly time frame. If I'm trading a monthly power of 3, and the best or the most suitable power of 3 that you can trade is the monthly power of 3. Now let me give you another pro tip. Go back to crash 500. Go back to your monthly time frame. You will see that what we have is the monthly power of 3, and you get to understand the yearly power of 3 that we are talking about. Now we'll finish January, February, March. You can see that we have a bullish move. But April now, which is another quarter, this is the second quarter of the year. Go and look at what is happening on crash 500. The same thing is applicable on crash 1000. If you can align those things very well, my brother, you will definitely catch that move that is about to happen on that two pairs. Crash 500 and crash 1000. The same thing applicable to crash boom 500. Go and watch these pairs from the monthly bars, monthly basics, and you thank me later. You will thank me later. So that's the power of your what? That is the power of what? Time. Time over price. If you find this video very worth it, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content. You'll be the first to be notified. And if there's anything you don't understand in the video, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be answering it. I'm going to do justice to it. And if you still want me to talk about any power of three, whether weekly power of three, daily power of three, monthly power of three, 4 hours power of three, or 1 hour one power of three, just drop in the comment section and I'm going to be making a video about it. Remember that trading should be what? Trading should be fun. Until the next time I'll be crossing your path, I still remain myself. Trade with Modupe Teni.